From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it was a warm one out there today. Temperatures topping out at 80 degrees, 1 degree shy of the record set back in 1935 of 81 degrees. 67 the morning start. We'll see similar numbers for tomorrow. Might not reach 80 degrees tomorrow. Thereafter, it's a cooler forecast and we'll be trending back to near normal, which is 62 and 43. So jackets and sweaters will be back before you know it. So let's take a look at the big picture and look at the Western Hemisphere and the storm systems lining up like bowling balls coming out of the Pacific, and they're coming with little atmospheric rivers. And the first one, well, this is our Wednesday weather system. This is going to be a big snowmaker too to the north of us up toward Nebraska, and then we have this low pressure system off British Columbia. That one's going to dive southward and eventually get here for the weekend. So that's Saturday's weather system, and we're already spying on next Tuesday's weather system. So storm systems lined up, so a more changeable pattern ahead. Tonight, most of the snows across Arizona, Utah, certainly good snows into Colorado and northern New Mexico, and this is going to be spreading northeastward. Meanwhile, locally for us, we're just seeing cloud cover, and that low cloud deck, as we mentioned, it's about 200 to 300 feet. Visibility dropping down to a light fog, quarter of a mile to half mile. In some spots, it's a mile, mile and a half, but that's that low cloud deck sitting down on us. As we get closer to daybreak tomorrow, I do think the winds pick up, so I think fog will be less of an issue, but we do have that misty mist out there for sure. You don't pick it up on the radar quiet on any shower activity, but there'll be mist and maybe enough that you have to work your windshield wipers if you're heading on out later on tonight. So breezy toward daybreak tomorrow. Notice the model has us going south-southeast, gusting to 26, so that's going to lift any fog that we have by daybreak tomorrow. So no fog issues in the morning, just mostly cloudy skies, and it gets breezier as the day wears on, with gusts up into the 30-mile-per range tomorrow afternoon. Few scattered showers, possibly a thunder shower, then action moving in shortly after sunset across Acadiana. Prime time is going to be between about 6 p.m. and midnight from west to east, with storms moving through the Lafayette area right around 9 o'clock, give or take an hour. So right around this time tomorrow evening, those storms progress to the east. And again, we'll be on the lookout for a couple of individual cells that maybe exhibit supercell characteristics that could produce damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado. And again, those storms clear the area by midnight tomorrow night, so we'll be quiet thereafter with partly cloudy skies and slightly cooler conditions as we head into Thursday. Here's the severe weather outlook for tomorrow per the Storm Prediction Center. Much of Acadiana along and north of I-10 hatched in for a slight risk of severe storms. Main threat, damaging winds, maybe an isolated tornado, and then farther to the south, a marginal risk. That's just a level 1 out of 5, so low end risk of severe storms. If we have a weather watch tomorrow, it's probably going to be for the central and northern part of the state, may include some of the northern parishes of Acadiana, but I'm not sold that we're going to see severe weather quite yet, but you have to respect every front that comes through this time of year. Looking at that tornado spin potential, and we watched it earlier, indicating maybe a slightly better chance than slight chance of some spinning cells or mesocyclones that exhibit cyclonic motion that could produce damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado, and that's between 6 and about 8 p.m. tomorrow night. Notice those dynamics weaken, so this time around the severe weather, the storms won't be as bad off to the east, and our friends to the east shouldn't see much in the way of severe weather. Rainfall-wise, a ½ inch to an inch, perhaps some areas catching a lot less and some areas a little bit more, depending on where you get nailed with the showers and storms, but we're not expecting any flood issues. The wind is going to be the big story. Notice by tomorrow morning, we see the winds gusting in the 20-mile-per-hour range and then in the 30-mile-per-hour range for much of tomorrow afternoon. So certainly a windy day ahead. And then once the storms pass, those winds die down a little bit, and then they'll be a little breezy out of the west as we head into Thursday. So overnight tonight, 67 the low, mild, misty, and foggy out there. Winds increasing by daybreak tomorrow, and then for tomorrow, windy and mild with showers and thunderstorms mainly during the afternoon hours. hours. The bigger storms after dark tomorrow night. 77 the high, and we see this on the True View sky here. We see the rain and the storms coming in between 9 and 11, and then it clears out after midnight tomorrow night, and then cooler late, 54 your morning start as you head into Thursday morning. Thursday looks to be the nicest day in the near term. Clouding up for Friday, rain coming back in for Friday night. I'll say on and off rains for Saturday instead of an all-day rain. That's less pessimistic for sure. And then another weather system Tuesday of next week. And notice those temperatures cooling off, upper 50s, lower 60s for highs, lows in the 40s.
I like the rewarding
yeah,
for Saturday.
You know, just want to
gives us hope.
Yes, yeah.
for
Try
the weekend.
to put a smile on.
Very good. Thanks, Rob.